there were two friends. Now one of them had rupees 82 with him, and so he thought he can buy 82 toffees, that is toffee worth rupees 1. So he could buy 82 toffees with those rupees 82. So his friend suggested that they should go to a chocolate factory and see whether they get these toffees or not. Now they went to the chocolate factory, and the shopkeeper, or you can say that man there, he told them that they did not sell for toffees for loose. They sold them in packs. Now these packs were available like packs of 10, 21, 32, 43, 54 and so on, or the packs of 10, 22, 34, 46 and so on. So they were like these two patterns of packs they used to sell. Can you identify these patterns? Can you tell me whether these patterns are in arithmetic series or not? Well, check. The first one, 10 plus 11 gives you 21. 21 plus 11 gives you 32, plus 11, plus 11 and so on. So that means here the common difference in this AP series is what? 11. So they add 11 toffees to each pack and make it a separate pack. Now the same case here. What is the common difference in this case? Plus 12 plus 12. See, adding each number with 12 gives us the consecutive number. So that means this pattern of chocolate packs is like 10 chocolates for the first pack, 12 chocolates added to this, so 22 chocolates for the second, 34 for the third and so on. So now the shopkeeper asked them, which one of the packs would you like? Now the children, they had to see whether the 82 term, that is whether the term 82 falls in this pack or in this pack, because they had 82 rupees and they could buy that many toffees only. So they checked the first pack. See, here the first pack was like this, 10, 21, 32, 43, 54 and so on. And what they have to find out? They have to find out whether 82 lies in this series or not. So first they check the first term and the common difference here. What is the first term? 10. And common difference we had just seen, it was 11. 21 minus 10, 11. Verify with other also. 43 minus 32, 11. So the common difference is 11. Now we know that we can find the nth term of a AP series by this formula, where the nth term will be first term plus n minus 1, that is the term we have to find out, minus 1 into d, that is the common difference, right? So what we have to check here? We have to buy 82 toffees, so we have to see whether this 82 is the term of this AP series or not. So let us substitute 82 in the place of this an. So what we will write? 82 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So now what we will get? Now we know the a, that is the first term, and we know d, which is the common difference. So what is the variable left with us? The variable left with us is n, right? So n will tell us whether this number falls in the AP series or not. It will tell us the position of 82 in this AP series, right? For an example, just tell me, what is the position of 32 in this AP series? Well, that's easy. This is the first term, second term, third term and so on. So 32's position is the third term. Similarly, we will find out what is the position of 82. So let us calculate. Let us solve this. 82 is equal to, substitute a's value 10 plus, now we do not know n, so this will remain as n minus 1, and d is 11. Now we will solve it. So we get 82 is equal to 10 plus, here what will we get? 11 n minus 1, right? So you can write, or 11 n minus 1 is equal to 82 minus 10, 72, or n minus 1 is 72 by 11, or n we will get as 72 by 11 plus 1. This will give us a fraction or a decimal value. Well, this decimal value is 7.55. So when you solve this for n, you will get the value as 7.55. So can you tell me whether this 82 falls in this AP series or not? Well, it does not fall. Why? What can be the reason? Because the position of 82 cannot be 7.55 in this AP series. We know that the positions are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. So there must be a number that is in the 6th position, a number in the 7th position and a number in an 8th position. But will there be a number in 7.55th solution? No. Now we know that an AP series can have fractions or decimals or even negative numbers in the AP series here. But the position of those numbers cannot be in decimal. They have to be in whole numbers, like the first position, second position, third position. We do not have anyone having the 1.5 position or in the 2.5th position. No. So we can say that 82 does not fall in this pack. So the children will not be able to find the pattern of first pack. So they check the other pack as well. So the second pack actually had this pattern: 10, 22, 34, 46, 58 and so on. So what is the first term of this AP series? It is 10. And the common difference, it is plus 12. So 12 is the common difference. So again, they will check with this formula. For the formula for the nth term, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So they will follow the same pattern they had used before. Now do you know you have to buy 82 toffees? So just substitute here. Now let us see what we get this n as. So put values for a and d. A is 10 and d is 12. So what do we get? 82 is equal to 10 plus 12 n minus 1, or we can say 12 n minus 1 gives us 72. Now we can solve it as n minus 1 is equal to 72 by 12, or n is equal to, what is 72 by 12? We get a whole number. It is 6. So 6 plus 1 gives us 7. So the value for n here is positive. That means n is a whole number. So we get the 7th position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one number here, and the 7th position would be 82. So that means 82 lies in this AP series. So the children are satisfied that they would get 82 toffees in the pattern of second packs. You can see 7 is a whole number. So possible to get 82 toffees. So this is how you check whether any number falls in the AP series or not. And you can also find the position of that number in the AP series by using the formula for the nth term.